Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play a round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a few seconds. So game one in the browser. Not quite started yet. No. Okay. Is that too soon? Oh, here's this. I'm the guy in the middle. First I choose a class. I choose the Tamer, which I'm currently working on. This gives me 3 pets. Its sides are enemies. If they touch me, I lose HP. And if my HP reaches 0, the round is over. I can feed my pets. They are hungry. I can feed them a lot, then they get bigger and heavier and slower. When they kill stuff, they get stronger, and now the goal is to get as far away from the middle as possible. Although enemies also get stronger the further away I am. And that's basically all. Now I play. I also can hurt my pets to make them happier if they are unhappy. Here comes the first boss. He is very bad. Gimme. Gives me skill points. It's very hungry. Painter needs. Okay. I'm thinking what might be bad or good. They always get random combinations. This is not bad. I took dash, painter. Longer leash for painter is good. I have longer leash, hungry. Monster says no, him has to eat a lot. Very young. I take longer leash. Okay. Now they have abilities. For some reason I have slowdown currently. While in the timeout, something is happening on the. Ah, he's unhappy. Doesn't move. Does this timeout disappear? Some update may be running in the background. I don't know. If the timeout is high value, it's usually not the game, which is a problem. Now I can, for example, feed this guy a lot, and if he's bigger, does more damage and has more range, more it's better, but now can pull me around. And next boss, okay. Now I get next upgrades. Dash Fireline. I take the first duplicate. Wants to stay slim, never gets fat. This is perfect. Slow loves food. Also good. Okay. Good choices for me. I think I can now feed him a lot. This delay is not disappearing? Wondering. Can I see something? Chrome, is it? Maybe there's a problem with my game. It's a timeout. I don't know. And 24. I don't know what this is, but my game is slowed down for the moment. Next boss. Good if he comes over here. She doesn't want to. Oh no, this is my death. Wondering what he wanted to do. Okay, this was one round. Now what do I work on today? Game task. Seems I have pet abilities. Let's rename this. I need ideas for upgrades. The fire trail I did. The painter I want to make the creator upgrade. Or is it creator or factory? Creator. Call it factory. That's my first thought. And brass upgrade. Explode on death was ready. Okay. Just go with it. So I have 2 upgrades I can work on today. Feels like I could do more. So a third upgrade maybe could think about. Let's do split S1 when the spawn. This might be the reason it was slow. To updates, but not now. When no, instead of this despawn, let's call it despawn. It's despawn. Instead of despawn, split into 2 smaller ones. Okay, One more idea. The dash, is there something? Maybe stun or something? Be something simple. Hit targets cannot move for a short time. So most are one hit at the start, but in the good for bosses. Let's take it. I have enough ideas. I start with the factory. This is for the painter. I would need ability pad, painter, upgrade, factory. I used it on the other upgrade. Can we name the duplicate to factory? No, all. Don't do it. It's mainly this one. Two. Do I have still? No, doesn't seem like it. What for information do I need? Let's call it spawn interval. The number. Duration. Do I need the duration? Okay. Duration is also a number. This should be everything. But I need a new object. Type ability painter. Ability object. Ability painter object. Factory. This is what? It's an ability object. I think they start with object most of the time. Type, color, damage, faction. It's based on the painter thing. something. It's a subtype or the shape type. I think subtype is used as shape type. Yes, okay. I have the spawn interval in here on the next spawn time. Next create time. With this he knows what shape he creates. With this he knows when it ends. With this he knows which interval creates, and with this he knows when to spawn. I think I have all information. Painter creates factory creating additional shapes each paint. And integrates shape factor instead of shape. Shape factory creates I could say per upgrade level. I think I don't display. Oh, I have the upgrade level here, but maybe not on creation. What does he want in here? Duration. I make second. No. Spawn interval. Say duration. Oops. Plus equals spawn interval. Which means I get one more for each upgrade. Assuming I create one directly. Start with it. I have changed the text. I have no functionality behind it yet. So I need export function create. No, not the ability. Ability object. Is similar to a shape probably. object pet better. But I want to turn. It is not a circle. Turn. Still unsure. Could take shape stuff. Here. F. Don't have these. No, this doesn't work. Here I have object circle. I might need this as a base. This has a subtype. It's a delete time. Maybe this works. That is fine. Position is I need all the information. I think I have to rethink. Basically, shape needs a factory. Which creates copies? No. Currently I have these create shape functions. And they have the same the pet. I need some values. Okay, it's more difficult than I thought. If I always take the newest values from it. Would not work because the ability is already on the next shape. I already inputted the randomness in here. So I could, instead of do it, they all have different it's like each shape needs to check for themselves if this upgrade exists, and then have their own factory type, which saves all the information. Or I put this information. No, it's okay. Complicated. I will from here. It's from here. And I will do from here. Now I have the factory. No logic in here. Now I will add it just for circle for now. Which would basically be sport type object pet painter circle factory. And this is just missing from this, and instead of the painter circle, I make circle factory. And I would not need this new type. But no, I need it. But they already have everything. Type delete time. I think I can make it work without it. So now, instead, when I create shape, check if ability pet painter upgrades want to check if the ability has an upgrade. Okay, I just put in factory thingy. It advanced factory upgrade. This. I have the factory upgrade. I would do something different. What would I need to do different? I think this one is no longer correct for it. Let's make a second one. Create ability object painter circle factory. I need position, damage. Position damage will stay the same. This has to alter. I don't need all direction. This is a useless value, but it has to exist. Delete time is different. In the tick interval. Okay, let's. I think these are two values I have here. Spawn interval duration. Okay, let's put them in. Duration number, and I call it spawn and wait interval. Wait. No. Spawn interval. Let's take this. Duration is now delete time. Oh no, game time plus duration. One interval, tick interval. Move speed. It's also something has to copy. This is a random value. Okay. This is a factory. Random direction can be here. I also have to. Something was missing, I think. Type. Yep. I want the factory for this. And I need different value. Took out the random direction and put in to new. I have the factory upgrade for this. No, doesn't know its type. Do I do this way? And as no? Oh, I didn't import it. I think Punctuation was the first value, and now the spawn interval. Okay, now there's a factor upgrade in here, but it doesn't have its own functions. I also need to add the factory. Factory. Tick shake object. I don't think I need. They are mandatory, I think. These are shape functions. I have to think if alternative is I keep the type. Would abuse the circle object in some way, but I need the factory value in. I think this makes more sense. I add optional factory factory boolean. Now I can to remove this again. And put in here is factory 2. And now shape paint circle. Need shape paint circle. I check if it's a circle. I have hit detection in ticking. So if I tick, different logic has to happen. I can maybe put into the upgrade. Shape object painter circle. Let's do one difference. Can I have the object? No. It is factory. Or I could do something like this. If I factor is only stroked, could work. Now I need tick shape object circle. If I'm a circle and if ability object is factory, else I do this. Move left. No. This still. Now I need to do the ticking, which is basically the same as this. But instead of doing hit detection, I could make change rename circle factory. If I do not have a time, I don't care. I think I want to. Okay, there's another question. Do I create one shape directly or do I start with the factory and the factory creates delayed, I would say. And this works. Need to do this one. Needs a position. The position already. Position is copied. Okay. I can just put the circle factory in here. Image. Factory damage. Factory FID. Basically. Factory action. Factory yes. Circle factory. This is random direction. Game time, game state time. It's a random direction. possibly undefined. It has to exist. No. Does a duplicate node duplicate the factory? I think yes. Yes, it does. And doesn't duplicate this thing. This only returns the shape, it doesn't push it. So I have to const shape and game state push shape. In theory, this could work. How do I test it? Again, two bosses spawn. I think I take anything. Okay, survive. Dash doesn't matter. Paint. Duplicate, duplicate. Okay, I forgot. Pet painter. It's ability. Pet painter. Upgrade. Factory. No. No, I didn't want to fit this one. Okay, paint, duplicate, factory. Never gets fed. Is good, you know. It's a circle. Paint a circle. Okay, it worked. But I need to change this. Oh, let's see. Okay. Yes. Okay. Paint factory. Here it is. Oh, so doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. Me the circle. 1, 2. Yes. Worked. 1. 1, 2. Can I put more points? Let me see. Big boss, big boss. check teleport. Probably not in here. I want to award more points on boss kill. Probably on character take damage. No. Kill character. Yeah. Make it a test line. Didn't work. Cause they... Ah, okay, I see. That's interesting. Because I did not spend my points yet. This is a problem. Let's... Back was kill point for Tamer was kill point. Multiple was kill point for Tamer when not picked yet. This is also, if I didn't take my class yet and as I killed one. Oh no, I didn't need to do this. What happened? Woke something interesting again. Ah! Oh god, yes. One pet with all points. I have to fix it now. I get player characters. They are not dead, not a pet. I check if the character's boss skill points. If I have ability which can get boss skill points. I can get multiple. Okay, now I look if the character has pets. Gets the pets boss skill points. But when pet is only allowed to have one. Okay, didn't realize. Mm. Can still break it. Which means if I spend my skill point, I have to put the skill points over in the ability. Okay, fair. So where does this happen? The Tamer character? Execute. Wait ability. I check boss skill points. Check for this. Okay, I could if I still have those skill points, it still has to exist. This will be ability point, boss skill points set to this one. This will be set to 0. Should work. I think I didn't reload. Okay. Now I take enter. Okay. No. He doesn't realize. Let's wait for one. Paint, factory, paint. Okay, now he realizes. Decay. Factory, okay. Here's my paint. Here. Triangle. Needs a circle. 1, 2, 3. Was correct. I press, dash, dash, dash. What is this? I never set the width. Okay. Can't fix that. I think did not. No. Because I shifted the skill point. I trade to Tamer pad. I shift the skill points. calls it. Great. Okay, these are the implementation. Here's the call. And I say fill random upgrade choice. Get character upgrade options. Something doesn't add up. Where do I need to look? Hmm. I take these three now. The abilities should have 4 skill points, but he didn't recognize to display the upgrades. This hip happens in where? Upgrade. I think it's located in character. Here I would say. Let's try time like that. Okay. First, second, third equals in here. Over it. Get character upgrade options. Should happen in here. Character type is great. Boss upgrade option. Yes, perfect. I'm in the Tamer boss. The Tamer boss has pets. This shouldn't be the case. Oh, I see. He checks for boss kill points on the pet. The pet gets an upgrade point is just a coincidence, so the code here is incorrect. Tamer character. I only do this if I have boss kill points. Availabilities. This check is incorrect. I could shift in here. So I could think about not giving each ability a point. No. What is the simplest solution for now? Not checking for skill points. I could remove this. Availabilities. And oops, I have ended. I have boss skill points for the pet. Then I can do this. Else he for each ability. Doesn't check if the ability has skill points. Wait a minute. Never verified. Okay, then let's. I if can I break here? Ability, boss skill points, and uh, oh no, I want stop here. Do I wild somewhere? No. Here's a while. So here I can do a continuing. If I don't have skill points or skill points equals 0, I continue. And I might return nothing. Okay, this could work. I have ability. No, did not work. I should have skill point. Worked. But what's the other one? One, the last. They have skill points? No, it's 0, so it's false, so it's breaks. Yes, okay. Is not undefined. Skill points is Okay, here is 0, but I should do it differently. Undefined or 0. Next try. Dash. A minute. Now I get the upgrade options directly. But now I get infinite upgrades. Why? I check if the ability says the skill points are undefined, or I have 0. I continue and don't create any points. And here, no, check. I skill points. I have both skill points. I don't have boss skill points. I they are undefined, so I should continue. No. This ability has 5 boss skill points. They were never reduced, so I actually take the ability once. I'm confused. I actually take boss skill points from the pet for upgrades. Did I miss this? The Tamer. Wasn't the Tamer? I put them over. I indeed reduce the pet boss skill points. I don't have ability pot points. Let me think. I want to go that route. Then I to change again. This means my first version was correct. Check here if I have points. Use these. This is not required. Let's see where my changes. I transfer the points. I no longer need this. Kill point. Okay, this changes. Just formatting thing. It's fine. formatting. Just formatting stuff. Okay, but now I need to change it differently. If I create the upgrade options, I have available abilities, but my pet. So I have to check if pet abilities lengths smaller 3. They have melee. They have the leash. This could work for now. Next I breath slow eats less, painter, paint factory, brigade, dash. Okay, this looked good. Breath slow factory, duplicate, factory. Okay. Factories work. And I think this works for now. Now I have to add the factory. The other shapes. Let me think. I did just look again. I added the creation. I changed the shape creation. I added the ticking and I changed the painting. Okay. So let's start with this one. I don't copy this, I probably copy from here. Because this is now a factory. I have this factory to true. I check if any values changed. I need a duration but not an interval. Can I put an interval in? No. Let's think. And I need the interval as an optional values. Tick interval. one thing. Nothing doesn't add up for me currently. These two I need. I will add them. It's optional. Is this good? It's just simple. Now I can next tick time. No, I don't need next tick time. I need tick interval. Did I call it on interval? I duration. Okay, this should work. Next step is this one. I don't have random value. Two missing. Like this. Else I return this, or I return create square factory position. Is it damage? Action are the same, range is the same. Now I need duration. Is upgrade dependent. Done. But what did I accidentally. Okay. Next one is something like this. In a tick. So factory circle factory is this rename. Maybe it's easier to call it factory when I've copied. Tick interval has to exist. Has to exist. Has to yes, no, this is do them new. The factory size, factory damage, factory ID, factory action, factory game state time. Has to be in here. Random direction is not part of the shape. This shape. So far so good. Now painting. Paint shape. Fill rect. Fill style. This is different. If square is factory, else this ctx no rect, und rect. Paint x, no xy square size. I have to do a, how is called, start and end, begin, pass and stroke. But it's not fill. They don't do the begin pass. And let's take stroke. So it could work. Enter. Factory and that. Looking good, I would say. It's painted. Now triangle. I have random position. Are not required. And I need have the tick interval. Random seed I don't need. I know the duration, number and spawn interval duration is spawn interval here, and its factory is true. Now creates a shape. Can check. Okay. I sure I have the here. Factory. I took away the random seed and he again doesn't know it. Duration. Spawn interval. Okay. No. I ticking. Take shape. It does I'm confused. It's a triangle. I do this, but independent of triangle, I do hit detection. This doesn't feel right. Wouldn't it be in here? Or better, I can just, if it's not, I return and keep on. And now I split them. If it's a factory, I do this. Triangle, I think. Triangle factory should do the new factory. Factory damage. Factory ref ID. Factory action. Factory. No. What did I do? Not a factory. Factory. What value is it's faction I did? Random seed. Game state. Random seed. Game date time. Okay. It more or less works. Work? No, the paint is still one thing. Yeah, I can do the same like circle. is this one. And I should also, no, CTX, line width. Okay. I'm wondering if this check is relevant because I shouldn't even get in here without it. Move for now. Feels off. Let's check. Something breaks, I will see. The circle shouldn't be here. No. Did I? Oh no. This can be moved. So I didn't pay attention if I reload. Let's just take breath, enter. Victory. Duplicate. Okay. The square doesn't have the line length, line width. The triangle was incomplete. Okay, let's see. Square. Plane shaped square. CTX line width, line. Okay, and the triangle is not completed. Because I don't fill it. Interesting. Let's const start pause equals paint pause x paint pause y. and it's line 2. Now it should work. Paint triangle. Okay, I did not. This one. Okay. Paint 3. Paint factory. So, food happy one never gets fat, eats less. Okay. It says again a square. Why didn't I make a line width? How is this possible? Ah, isn't there something like stroke? No. I think there's one value more than line width. Probably. Don't expect any. In shape square. Something is off. I'm not at the correct paint. Here is the correct paint. In shape object. Oh, this should be fixed. Okay, painter. And stuff I don't care about. So far looking good. So this is the color is different. This shouldn't be the problem. Now I have a long quite a lot painter creates. Okay. So far, so good, I would say. Then let's in here. No, I had one character change. This one. Want to move this enemy. Can play. Now I have the default start, I think. A pet, Tamer, painter, new upgrade factory. Okay, took longer than expected. Maybe not what I think about. No, I think all have two upgrades now. The dash has two, the paint has two, the press has one. Explode on death. Let's do one upgrade. Ability pet press upgrade. Explode on death. Let's just call it explode. No. Take slow. Explode. Place. Let's rename this one. Still have ones, yes. Slow explode. Let's change it up. Let's see. Two types of debuff IX. West explode on this. No, let's call it just explode. I have these. Apply pet breath, upgrade, explode. Apply explode. Okay. It debuff explode. No. Explode on this. This exists. What does he need as values? Damage? I'm unsure about damage. Faction is. Do I have target? Didn't need. So ability doesn't have a faction. No. Faction radius. No, these are not. So radius was the value I need. Yes, okay, wait. I need damage. damage factor. The ability. Point damage. Death. Explode. Damage factor. Action radius. Explode radius. Ability ref ID. Ability ID. Tail needs affection. I call this damage factor. Call this radius. 500 is a lot. Maybe it's 20. 30. What does the snipe have? Explode radius is 50. Let's do the same. Color. Don't need a color change. Okay. Still needs affection. Unsure if I can put the Tamer pet character in here. What's this high ability? That should be possible. Add it. Okay. To apply the explode, it's similar like the press. Tick ability pet breath. Detect pet breath to character hit. Here I apply. And I have the ability owner, so I have ability owner target game target character definition. Check if I have the upgrade. I apply. Okay. Much easier. Now I again 2 points are enough. This should be good enough. Let's just randomly take stuff. Okay, Boas explode. Boas. So, okay. Let's come over here. It doesn't look like it works. No, you are slow. I want ability. Apply the buff to the target. Oh, go. Load. Debuff. Damage 200. Apply debuff. It could be that I do it in the wrong order. So I first take damage. I have to apply it first. Okay. Confused. I didn't press these things, okay. Okay. Dash doesn't matter. Let's explode. This is the only one which matters. Yeah. Yes, they explode. Also, the explosion is not dependent. Damage, okay. I think. Okay. So again. Add a new upgrade. Add Tamer. With new upgrade. Explode. Death. Let in. Commit. And let's play one round. Sim. Okay, to get to the stronger enemy. over here. Boss. Okay, let's go. Wes never gets fat is bad. Painter, happy one. Longer leash. Dash is also not bad. Takes a dash. Wes very hungry. Wes longer leash. Wants to stay slim. No. Wes. Not off. Lost food. Very hungry. Let's take lost food although it's bad. Can feed them a bit more. Something with the color from the painter is off. They're not always set. Let's put him a bit higher. Okay, let's feed him a bit to be safe. Okay, looking good, looking good. Dash Fireline. Only one and it needs more love, is okay. We're slow. And explode, lost food, happy one. Never gets fed, no, I take happy one. Paint, duplicate or factory. I take longer leash and duplicate. Feed him. Okay. No, don't block each other. Okay, I survive. Very good, very good. Terrain ones, Fireline. Terrain ones is shit currently. Loves food. Fine. Press slow. I think additional slow is better. It's more love. Shorter leash. Needs more love. Paint factory. Shorter leash is bad. But factory is a better upgrade currently. I take the happy one. Okay. No, no, not him. Perfect. Let's come here. Don't be so slow. Continue dashing. Ah, this might be too much. Come, come, come. But he loses weight pretty fast. Oh, was? Okay, strategy. Should I make him fatter? I think yes. Bit more happiness, bit more happiness. So the slow has to hit him. And I have to be between the boss and... Oh. No! What could I have done better? If the boss has to take care of the boss, I'm vulnerable against smaller ones. Maybe the fire lines I have to somehow abuse. Or it's just that because I have short leashes, the shooting one is pretty hard. Have enough damage. But it feels like it's getting somewhere. Did I have a bit more movement speed? Yes, this one has a bit more movement speed. But I guess it works for now. Push it. Deploys it, and probably I end here for today. I can sing. Game task. Still need... have the factory. Bug circles are getting stuck. Bug multiple. I fixed this. Explode on death is in. So I need... some more upgrades. Fire dot. Not sure. For now. I MS ideas for now. So I want one upgrade more for everyone, and the one thing which is lacking is that I get protected from all directions. I can think about it. Split stun is okay. Can the press protect me? The binder can get split. I have a lot of shapes flying around. I hope that this helps. Upgrade stun does help against bosses mostly. Could also be maybe a push away or something. Together with stun. But maybe instead of explode on this, it's like a fire circle on this. Might be, let's think about it, fire circle on this. Instead of explode on this. Which gives a bit more protection, or I may the fire lines exist longer, so I have some protection lines lying around somewhere else. Could also be a good idea. this longer. Okay, I think this is enough. I end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.